Hi, so today I'm gonna open the Pikmi Pop Surprise, the jumbo one, so sweet scented jumbo plush, 1, 2 or 3 surprises. And this one, it's the horse. Ooh, so cute, look, the characters. So I'm gonna open. Where is it? Oh, what says in here? Warning. Okay, bye Moose. Moose toys. And how I open this? Here. Come on, there's no, oh, pull here. See people? Pull here. Why it's so? Oh, okay. It's focuses now. Oh, look at the pattern. It's so cute. It's lollipops. So I'm gonna open here. Bye, Pepper. My nail. Oh, come on. Okay. Woohoo! A giant lollipop. So this is very cool. And this is like a giant lollipop where you can put the plush in here. So here is the horse. So cute. It's already dark in here. Look. Seems like a skirt. It's pretty cool, the pattern, look. See? Wait. Oh, it's not now it's focused. Oh, really like this. I think I'm going to do something with this. I don't know what. But yeah, then what I have here, the horse. So let's open it. Woohoo! Let's see, 1, 2, 3, and pop. Oh my god, smells so good. Oh, so fluffy. Nice. Smells amazing. Marshmallow. Yes, it smells. So here's the horse, pink hair. Little paws and pretty short and pink tail, really nice pink hair, and it's really fluffy. So, and I got 3 surprises. Yes, it is. Yes, 3 surprises. Oh look, it's a nail, it's a ring. It's a pink horse, maybe for the phone, I think the cell phone. What it is. It's forever yours. So cute. Look at the card. Polo, the pony, and the pin for the clothes. Yes, I got the 3 surprises and this where you can put the plush. So here it is. Very nice, and that's all.